Innovation isn't built in one step, it's molded layer by layer. Before every great creation takes shape, it starts with quality. In this case, a high-grade LLDPE rotomoulding powder. Each batch is precisely weighed to ensure strength and balance in every buoy. Then comes the mould. Custom built and carefully primed, ready to give the buoy its form. Like any good recipe, the perfect result depends on time and temperature. At 300 degrees Celsius, the temperature is set and the buoy is baked to perfection over 30 minutes of steady rotation. Once cooled, the mould is opened, revealing a seamless hollow form, durable, buoyant and built to last. Each buoy is checked, cleaned and prepared for packaging, because precision doesn't end when the molding does. From powder to products, every step is guided by consistency, craftsmanship and care. For decades, humans have shaped form from fire and motion, and today we call it rotomoulding.